Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Trojan bot. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser in your PC, or you just have to simply launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. If you are using PC, then you need to first click on your Phantom Wallet extension in the top right hand corner of the screen, and over here you need to simply click on your profile icon in the top. Now over here you will be able to see the settings option, so you need to simply go to the settings of your account, and here you need to select your account. So over here you will be able to see the show private key option, so you need to simply click over here and provide your password in this section. Then you need to check this box and press next in the bottom. On the next page it will show you your private key, so you just have to copy that private key from here. You will need this private key in order to link your Phantom Wallet with the Trojan bot. Now you need to open your Trojan bot application. Now if you haven't started using Trojan bot, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now once you are on the Trojan bot, you just have to simply click on the settings option, and here in the settings you just have to select the wallets option. Now select the import Solana wallet option and click on proceed with import. Over here you just have to paste the private key that you just copied from your Phantom wallet, and after pasting it you will be able to see your wallet in this section. This way you will be able to easily connect your Phantom wallet with Trojan bot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.